want to take this opportunity to appeal to the government church in this country to join the government in that effort, because government cannot succeed alone. There is a moral issue about it, there is a mentorship issue about it, and we wish the church can also come in and join us in terms of advocacy, in terms of mentoring the young people, in terms of informing the population negative effects of the drugs and substance abuse, so that we can have a healthy young population, which is very instrumental in the development of this country.
As you also mentioned, if we can further intensify this kind of cooperation and meet and see and to find solutions to this. I also appreciate very much, by the way, the situation in which the government finds itself because of the debt crisis, in the sense that is one of the reasons why we find it difficult to come over the bridge, so to say, to pay with NHF and so on. But still, somewhere we have to find a solution. We cannot just wait and see and think, okay, where is this ship going to strand?